Monday. It's 5:30. I'm trying to be quiet because everybody's sleeping still upstairs, but I've been up for an hour. Here's what I've gotten done so far. Headspace, meditation, 5-minute journal, morning pages journal, which is a little bit more than the 5-minute journal app. Check my stats on gyroscope. We'll talk about that here in a couple episodes. Yoga, and of course, a cold shower. I'm a big believer in the phrase, own the morning, own the day. It's Monday morning, own the Monday, own the week. So, we're up, we're getting right to it. Let's do this. Boom. Look at this mess. Now we can work. Just let the city rise, be a second sunrise. We can do or we can own the night. No need for stopping signs. Don't deny. Let me get lost, lose it like I'm Jimmy Dean. Let me get lost, never find my sanity. Let me get lost, do that, do that. Let me get lost, lose yourself in finding me. Okay. I'm here to pick up a much needed supply, a much needed tool, if you will.
A few moments later.
All right, let's mount this right there. Dang it. Let's mount this right there and do a little talky talk for a quick second. So I'm pretty pumped about this purchase. Let's not be so washed out. Pretty pumped about this purchase. I lost my GoPro about 2 years ago, year and a half ago, in an unfortunate canoeing accident, and have not replaced it since. And coincidentally, I also used to have a gimbal for my phone that like stabilized it so you could walk around, you know, one of those things that can shake all over, and let someone use it, and it got lost as well. So when the CEO of GoPro recently said,
"This is the gimbal killer." So we're all about helping people capture their active lifestyles, and with activity comes motion, and with motion generally comes shake. This thing captures the best stabilized video of any camera ever.
I really wanted one, so started saving my pennies, and we have enough pennies now that this bad boy is going to be ours, yours and mine together, because we're going to enjoy it together. So I'm going to open this up, figure out how it works. Yes, this is what we're looking forward to here. Gimbal, like hyper smooth stabilization. I'm pretty pumped about this. I'm gonna see if it needs to charge up. I'm gonna charge it up in the car here. Oh, here we go. First video with the new GoPro. What up? Still trying to figure out the settings. Holy moly. You look like The Rock out here.
Focus! Focus! Focus!
What's that?
You look like The Rock out here.
I'll flex that even though they were terrible.
1 hour later.
That car right there is a Tesla Model X. Oh, of course course he beat me right off the line. Oh, goodbye, gorgeous. Oh, I love that car. Oh. Soon. Soon, people. Soon. I don't yet know who owns that car, but I will, and we will become friends. Goodbye, my precious. We're gonna put that back, okay? Bye-bye. Come on out.
The next day.
Wait a minute. Wait for it. Huh? That is rich. Oh, that is nice. What's that gonna look like? Oh, that is awesome. What if we tip it up just a little bit? Makes my car look like it's a minivan in here. It's not. But anyways, toot toot for the fam. All right. Well, this is gonna revolutionize the way that we do car videos now. I don't have to hold anything. I don't gotta bring extra props. I can just look at you, the viewers, as you ride alongside with me. It was snowing out here about 15 minutes ago, but because of the heat from the hot tub and the heated pool and all that stuff, it's not anymore. But yeah, this is where today's first meeting is going to take place. So that was a good meeting. It was a hot tub meeting, which are the best kind. The guy that I was meeting with asked not to be recorded, so that's why I didn't take any of that in there. But it was good. Those are the best kinds. Way better than coffee. Way better than coffee. Hey, meet me at the gym. We're gonna go hang out. We'll work out. We'll discuss things. We'll hit up the tub. Good meeting. I really like this camera. Do you guys like it? Yes or no? Let me know. Oh yeah. I love this song. You know who else likes this song?